Okay, I picked up this huge knife yesterday at Frontier Justice for $39.99, and it is the BOKER Plus Curtis Piko. It's very reminiscent of the CRKT Pilar. So it's got copper washers, and it's a flipper, and you know, I got it to flip before camera. There you go. So there you go. It's got two finger grip. Definitely don't know about using that as a, well, yeah, I guess you could use it as a finger choil for detailed work. But if that blade shape isn't reminiscent, I should get the large Pilar and have the whole family. So anyway, that is the frame lock Curtis Piko by BOKER Plus, centered, and check that. Not the greatest on the lockup. It's okay though. It won't fail. So no clip, no lanyard hole, and I seem to be on a streak of buying display items only. The last couple of knives I've purchased were the only ones left, and this is the only one they had left. So I didn't really have a choice as far as knives, but that's not going to bother me at all. It's funny because when the sales lady got the box for it, it was sealed, even though this was on display, and she opened it up here somehow. So, not a biggie. I don't really care as long as the item's in there. But anyway, I just, you know, it caught my eye. Definitely a fifth pocket, or even just throw it in your pocket. So, there you go. The Curtis Piko by BOKER Plus. I probably said that already. I'm at work right now, so it's hard to multitask for me. Here we are trying to open it with the cutouts on the blade. And yeah, that is a strong detent for this size. Cannot open it.